Hey y'all, it's your girl Tassja. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today's look is this look right here. I was just doing a little something, trying to be creative. The palette that I use for this is the James Charles collab with Morphe. I know I'm late with the palette, and all that, but I couldn't never get it. I got it this last restock last week. I don't really have much else to say for this intro, but continue to watch and share this video with your mom and them, your cousin them, your ex-boyfriend boo and them, and that's it, and that's all. So to start, I took the shade 518 and placed that into my crease. I'm packing it into my crease first because I don't really know which ones are pressed pigments and I didn't want to mess up my look, so pat it in first. Now I'm taking the shade B and I'm gonna use that to blend out the outsides of the orange shade. Next, I took the shade You're Kidding and I packed that into my crease, and then I'm gonna go back and blend that out with the shade 518, which is the orange shade. Next, I took the shade Boutique and placed that into my crease. And after that step, I took some concealer and an angle brush and cut my crease into a wing shape. Next, I took the shade Skip and placed that to the edges of my cut crease, the top of it, the end of it, this part of it. Next, I took the shade Escape and followed the shape of Skip, and then I took the shade Single and placed that onto my lid, and then I'm gonna blend that out with Skip. Like I just stated earlier, a few seconds ago, I took the shade Skip and blended out Single, and then after this step I just put on some eyeliner into a wing shape, and then I put on some lashes, and that was the end of this look. I also put the shade Skip, the shade Single, and the shade B underneath my eye, but it didn't look right editing, so I edited it out. But yeah, that was it. Okay, y'all, that was it for this video. You already know the deal. Hit the subscribe button, click them videos right there, and share this video, and I am out.